Okay guys, here we have it, my new toy. This is the HBX16889A Pro version. It says 16889 on the box, and it's got a picture of the 16889, but I can guarantee you, inside this box, in here, is the Pro version. Let me show you. There it is in all its glory, all 1/16th scale glory. There's somewhere in that bag there should be some stickers for me to put on there. I'll have a look in a minute. But there it is. Let's see what else we've got in the box, shall we? So here's everything in the box, guys. We've got the car, the stickers, the USB charger, the wheelie bar, some extra body clips with the tethers, the manual, and LED light assembly, and a remote. Here's the remote. Haven't used one of these ones before, so plastic wheel. So let's have a look underneath. Okay, here's the truck itself. There it is. Oh, there's my battery. Better go and charge that up. There it is. There's the brushless motor. I believe it's a 3-wire servo and ESC combo. And no, what am I saying? God. Anyway, there it is. What do I know? HBX16889A Pro version, brushless power. So it's not the one on the box, it's the new HBX Pro version with all the metal upgrades and metal drivetrain, oil, metal shocks, and all the rest of it. So a little bit of unboxing. There it is. Well, yeah. Okay, so this is my first. Actually, this small. It's quite tiny, but it's brushless and it goes really good. Had it for 3 days now and given it a bit of a run around. It's small and it's so much smaller than my arm is. See that goes down the bashing area. Another lovely New Zealand day, albeit a little bit breezy.